and welcome to our channel. And if you are new here, then please do subscribe to our channel for Jntuh related updates. If you have any doubts and suggestions, please leave a comment in the comment section so that I will be happy to help you out regarding whatever concerns, doubts or suggestions you have. So guys, as you know, you are writing second year exams right now for both B.Tech and B.Pharmacy students, and now you are worried about results. So first of all, I want to tell that the correction process is going on full swing, and the university officials has given clear instructions that the correction should be done fast and should be more accurate. For this, the correction process is being carried out in online and offline mode. Online mode meaning the papers will be corrected by the faculty sitting at home or an office, or else offline meaning the faculty would go to university to correct the papers. So more papers are being corrected in online mode only. The correction this time is going to be a little easy, and also a clear doubt for the subjects which are related to maths. Meaning the subjects which are related to maths, maybe COSM or something like that, the problematic subject will be corrected strictly, and the rest of the corrections will be carried out easily. Meaning the loose correction will be done for the theoretical based subjects or the subject which doesn't involve problematic things, and the subjects which have problems, flow charts or maybe some other things, then or the maths related subjects, those subjects will have a strict correction. It is said that the university is focusing on conducting the CBT before Dasara holidays. So CBT would be done and dusted before Dasara holidays, and the results will be released after Dasara holidays. So by keeping this in mind, we can assume that the regular results may release in November first week, and the supply results will be released in October last week. So supply doesn't have any CBT or exams to be conducted, so supply results would come in the October last week, that is a little earlier. Some students are having doubt that why this hurry in correcting the papers. Like generally university gives 45 days of time after the exams being conducted, and sometimes it is more than 45 days, sometimes it's 2 months, but this time they are in a hurry to give the results. The reason is said to be that Jntuh is planning to conduct special supplies to R18 passed out students, the students who were asking for grace marks, subject exemption and all. Jntuh is planning to conduct a special supply for them in the month of November. Hence the results declaration should be done quick so that they can move on to the supply. Also, the second reason might be there will be a credit based detention. So they are announcing the results as early as possible, so that if there is a credit based detention for the third year or fourth year students, so they can calculate the credits. Based on that, the credit detention list will be announced. So I hope you like this video, guys. Please share your views about early results in the comment box. Also subscribe to the channel. We need your support because last time you showed a great support, and we have also made a video on when the first year results are going to be. If you don't know, then please, if you have not seen that video, then please go on to our previous videos. The last video would be like first year results. And if you haven't followed us on social media, then do follow us on Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, Telegram, everywhere. We are everywhere. The links are given in description. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, if you have any doubts, please do comment and subscribe to our channel. Until then, keep supporting, guys, and bye. I hope you will rock in this second year results, and take care, guys.